Welcome to OLAMLED. Today, we are introducing the TD02 series track lights, designed specifically for professional lighting scenarios. The TD02 series track lights feature a minimalist industrial design, available in black and white to complement various space styles. They are specially designed for low glare, with a UGR value of less than 16, effectively reducing eye strain and delivering a comfortable lighting environment. Equipped with a universal track adapter using a power gear interface, installation is flexible and convenient, compatible with various track systems. Supporting multi-level power adjustment, it allows you to switch power according to your needs for precise light control, balancing illumination quality and energy saving. For more information about the TD02 series, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to providing you with professional lighting solutions.